Okay, so in today's project we're going to design a simple score evaluation project. Right, so this is the table of students, their score, and based on the score we will grade the students using the grades below. So if a student gets greater or equal to 80, the student will have a grade of A and the remarks will be excellent. Grade of greater than 70 or equal to 70, B, and the remarks of very good. So it will follow through to fail or to F. Right, so let's quickly do that. So we will simply use a nested if function to do this. Right, so in this cell we are going to type equal to if function, then we provide our logical test. So if cell, this is cell B3, is greater than or equal to 80, we want Excel to give a grade of A. Then comma, we write another if statement. So nested if means you are writing if statement within another if statement. So if cell, the same cell, is greater than or equal to 70, we want Excel to evaluate it as B, or to give a grade of B to the student. Right, another if statement. If B3 is greater than or equal to 60, we want Excel to give a grade of C. So quickly, let me just run through the nested ifs. Okay, so if same cell is greater than or equal to 50, Excel evaluates to a grade of D. Alright, then another if statement. If cell B3 is greater than or equal to 40, Excel evaluates to E. Else anything below 40 should be represented with F. Right, so when you are done, you close your brackets. And we had how many ifs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you end your bracket with 5 closing brackets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you press enter. Wow, there's an error. Let me check. So debugging is part of the code. Is B3 is greater than 40, evaluate to E or F. Let me check again. So what's the formula? Equal B3 is greater than or equal to 40. Okay, so this is the error. This is supposed to be double quotes. Right, so debugging is part of should be part of your skill. You should be able to identify errors and correct them. Right, so now per the logical statement, Kwakudapa got a grade of 90. So any grade greater than 80 or equal to 80 is grade A. We need to write the same logical function for all the students, but Excel can let us just drag from the first cell and it will apply to all the other cells. So I'll just drag down, then it applies to all. So when you get 70 or more is B, 40 or more is E. That's per the nested if statement that we wrote. Anything below 40 is F. So quickly we want to add remarks to our project so that automatically Excel will give the remark of the students based on the score. So we will use the same function, nested if function. So I want to just do copy and paste. So I'll paste here and do some few editing. Since we want remarks, we don't want the grade, so we will just edit the grades from the if statement. So if C3 is greater than or equal to 80, just give a remark of excellent. Let me see. Excellent. Then if it's B or greater than 70, very good. Then if it's C or more than 60 or equal to 60, good. Anything more than 50 or equal to 50, credit. Then anything greater than or equal to 40, pass. Then finally anything below 40 is fail. So Kwakudapa got 90, so the remark is excellent. Let me drag down to see for the rest. Right, we are getting excellent. This shouldn't be the case. So let me just look through and see where the error is. Very good. Credit, pass, fail. C3, C4. Right, so this is supposed to be B3. So it's B3, 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 B3. It's good that I'm making errors so that at least when you encounter something of that sort, you'll be able to correct it. So now let me drag down again. Right, so our project is working perfectly. So B, the remarks is excellent. Sorry, A. Then B is very good. E, pass. F, fail. So this is a simple score evaluation that you can create with Excel. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in our next project. Have a nice day.